somewhere 10 years ago, when I had not so much lucrative and interesting job, and I decided to escape from that environment, and I come to the decision to come to Cranfield and start new life. I think that was an important day of my life, and new career path started. Actually, I'm quite satisfied with what I had and what I have so far. But if I'm coming back and I can change, then I would come to my 18, 19 years old youth period, and I will start exploring the variety of the world earlier. I would start developing knowledge and experience earlier than I started with Cranfield at 25. Very interesting question, actually. We are all here at Cranfield, and everywhere there are a lot of research centers, and humans over 1,000 years are digging for knowledge, and we are developing knowledge. But what is interesting, after some time, knowledge becoming out of dated. So there is no absolute knowledge, because we have no understanding of absolute reality. So the question which I would ask, it's the same question which Greek philosopher Plato asked 400 years before, is what is absolute reality and how we can be connected with supreme intelligence. When I'm not working, actually, I love exploring the world. I'm traveling a lot. I'm meeting with different communities. We have community meetings, sharing knowledge, ideas and emotions. And I love meeting people who are inspiring me. This is very much important. These are my hobbies. I got new challenging assignment to support market development in Israel. So this will be my new challenge and new development. I feel most at home, not at exact locations, but with the specific people who value you a lot, people who are dearest and nearest, and people who are surrounding you and bringing you to the specific thoughts and thinking. With those people, I feel at home everywhere. To the moon and back, Savage Garden. I would say chocolate. I love it from the childhood, and when I taste it now, I still emotionally feeling the connection with the cozy childhood. The best purchase which I made recently, I enrolled for the training, methodological creative thinking and critical thinking. And the worst purchase, I guess, recently I bought a car which I am not using so much. I love public transport, and using the car, I think it's not ecologically friendly. So this is a bad purchase. First of all, it's a real honor, and I'm pleased. But what is more important, that means that knowledge which I got at Cranfield 8 years ago were accurate, and I was on the right career path. So I was on the right way, guided by Cranfield. This is very important recognition, which makes further guidelines to the future, what can be enhanced and improved.